buckle my shoe, tie the laces bright and blue. 3, 4, dance on the floor, laughing loudly more and more. Sunny morning full of cheer, happy songs for all to hear. 10, 5, 6, little magic tricks, building towers tall with sticks. 7, 8, don't be late, friends are waiting by the gate. Hop and skip along the way, having fun throughout the day. 9, 10, count again, raindrops tapping on the pane. Tiny puddles splash around, boots go stomping on the ground. Clouds above are soft and white, soon the sun will shine so bright. 1, 2, kangaroo shoes, jumping high with nothing to lose. 3, 4, hear us roar, playing games beside the shore. Seashells sparkle in the sand, waves are singing to the land. 5, 5, 6, candlesticks, twinkling lights do funny tricks. 7, 8, decorate, colorful stars look really great. Moonlight glows so calm and slow, nighttime magic starts to show. 6, 9, 10, count again, ride the little toy train. Choo-choo sounds and spinning wheels, happy fun the whole day feels. Mountains, tunnels, bridges too, adventure waits for me and you. 1, 2, zoo parade crew, elephants wave hello to you. 3, 4, hear lions roar, penguins slide across the floor. Monkey giggles fill the air, animal fun everywhere. 5, 6, colorful bricks, building castles tall with tricks. 7, 8, shining gate, princess friends all celebrate. Dragons fly in skies so blue, fairy tales come true for you. 9, 10, count again, stars are glowing once again. Soft pajamas, warm and tight, snuggled cozy every night. Dreamland opens far away, till the morning starts the day. 1, 2, buckle my shoe, sing this happy song anew. 3, 4, smile some more, clap your hands and dance once more. Counting numbers full of fun, learning songs forever.